Hello friends, good evening. My name is Lalita and today let us discuss about a small story. And today our story name is The Fisherman and His Wife. So once upon a time in a small town, not a town, it's like a village, there lived a wife and husband. So the man used to work as a fisherman. So daily, like near their home, there is a river, small river. So he used to go there and he used to get some fishes and he used to sell in the market. The money he got, he with that they used to lead their life. So his wife was totally different from him. Like he is so very humble and he is very so kind man, but his wife is totally opposite to him. So then when after doing all this work, he'll be tired, right? So after going to home, he wants to see his wife with a very like with a very good smile on her face, but she will be very angry on him all the time because her in her point of view, her idea is that he never kept me happy. He's always like in home all works I only need to do and don't have any type of happiness. Like she used to think in that way. So even after doing that much of work, he used to cook and he used to give food to her. Like he used to, like after getting some fishes, he used to cook some two fishes and gave to her wife. But she said, I don't want two fishes are not enough, I want three fishes. So like next, okay, then because they'll get low income, so how can he do that with that? So we can't. So then next when he bought an like a uh, basket full of mango sweet, but too she didn't say that I want more than this. So actually this fight between them is daily common. Like daily it's daily this fight will happen. So he left and in the morning again he used to go to the job, like he used to go to the like to get fishes. So one day while he is trying to take the fish, so he had weighed that net into the river. So suddenly the net had stuck into that, but the fish is there, he can understand that, but the fish is not coming out. So he pulled with a very large force. Then the golden fish came and fall in the tub. So he asked that. He observed that the fish is talking. He was surprised with that, and the fish asked, "Please don't kill me. I'm the golden fish, and if you want, ask me any wish what you want. I will give you that." So the fish said, and it went off inside. And to share this happiness, he went to the home and he said to the wife. And first, wife said that, okay, how the after all a fish, how can it do? So the husband said, okay, say me one of your wish. Let us see that wish will happen or not. So she said that I want one big house better than this. So he went next morning. He went to the fish and he called that, my dear magic fish, my dear magical fish, can you hear me? And he says that my wife is not happy with this home. Then the fish asked, what does she need? Then he said that the better house more than this. Then after going, when he checked, the wife was very happy with the home. Then the fisherman asked that, are you happy, my dear? So lifelong we have to live together in this home very happily. So she said, lifelong together? No, I can't do that. Let us think about that. So that night they ate and they slept, but the wife couldn't able to sleep. But like she's thinking, what I have to plan next, what I have to what which wish I have to ask. And next day in the breakfast she said that, I want a palace and I want to become a queen. Then he asked, what are you asking? Like there should be a limit for asking. But she scolded, and then the fisherman went and said, my wife is not happy. Then the fish actually it gave a palace, and the wife became the queen. So then again he went back and saw the wife was happy. Then he asked that, my dear wife, are you happy enough? She says that, no, I'm not happy, I want to become an emperor. So again he said that, what are you asking? Like we should not, like it will be a risk for our lives, how can you ask? But she won't listen. And again and next day the fisherman asked. So then the fish says, okay, go and check, your wife is very happy with that. When she was emperor, the doors were turned into the golden doors and very big palace. So she was happy. Then he asked, my dear wife, are you happy now? Then she says, oh yes, I'm happy, but I have to think somewhat time. Then again he got tension that what next, what type of fish he used to ask the next. So for 1 week without sleeping, she's thinking what to ask, what to ask. And finally one day in the morning she got tired of thinking, and she is going to the bed to sleep. Then suddenly the sunrays had fallen on her. Then she said that, why the sunrays are falling on me? Then she woke up her husband and said that, I want to control the moon and sun. Then for her wish, he got feared and he woke up and sat. And then after his wife's scolding, he went and he asked the fish. Then the fish said, okay, your wife become all might, so please go and check. When he went and checked, his wife is not appearing anywhere. Again he ran near the fish, and he asked that, my fish is not visible, where she had gone. Then the fish says, your wife want to become a god, so become a god, and the gods never appear to the human side. So he said that he pleased sorry for that, and he said, please can you give my wife back. Then the fish said, no, till now many wishes I had gave, so I can't. Then he says that, till now what wishes I have asked, that's only from my wife. By my own I didn't ask anything. Then the fish thinks correct, and he gave her wife back. And then when he went back to the home, there is no palace and no house. It's a very small house in which first they used to live. So now wife is adjusting with anything, and now from then everyone are happy. So this is today's story. Thank you.